In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your bank statement from the Wise app. This simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you have your financial details at your fingertips whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and type Wise into the search bar. Once you've done that, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the result with the URL beginning with wise.com. Clicking on this link will take you to the official Wise website, ensuring that you're accessing the correct platform. Once you're on the Wise homepage, you'll notice an option to log in, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on the Login button will bring you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you type in your username and password accurately. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, go ahead and complete the verification process to securely log into your account. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Balances or Accounts section. You should be able to see a list of your various currency balances here. If you're like many users, you might have balances in multiple currencies. Don't worry, this is where you choose the specific currency for which you need the statement. Now, simply tap on the currency you are interested in. This will reveal a host of options related to that specific account. If you need to switch currencies or select a different payment method like a bank account or e-wallet, you can usually do so at this stage too. In the Details section for your chosen currency, keep an eye out for an option labeled Statement, Transactions, or sometimes Manage. This is where you'll find the necessary tools to download your financial statement. Next, it's time to select the date range for the statement you wish to download. Whether it's a week, a month, or a custom time frame, make sure the dates cover the period you're interested in. You'll also have the choice to pick the format in which you'd like the statement, such as PDF or CSV. PDF is great for visual presentation, while CSV is often preferred for data manipulation in spreadsheets. Once you've specified your preferences, you should see a button to download the statement. Click on it, and your bank statement will be saved directly to your device in the selected format. Now, you can access, review, or print it at your convenience. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the Wise app to download your bank statement, a task you can now accomplish quickly and efficiently whenever you need to. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.